Why fisheries? Gusto kayo maging gusto ng sira. Now, you are now in your second year. Why did you continue? The name black. Because we have some audience online. They're actually waiting for your answers. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, Marilyn. Why? Area in the Philippines. Okay, may okay, yeah. So why FMA? What I'm going to discuss is on the framework of FMA and the history and the concept why there is a. What is the law for our fisheries law? Ayaw kong sumagot ng fourth year. Ngayong first year, second year, and third year. What do you call the fisheries law of the fish? Seeing the number of fishers who can fish inside the municipal waters of Calabang.
November 28, 2024 at Subiso, Calabanga, Camarines. Your dedication, hard work, and generosity have made a significant.
Kasi pang amay lang ang dae. Ay, ako din na naman yun.
Sige, nakabidyo. Video ko kaya para maling ko. Sarap pa. Plus na yan. Thank you.
Uy, bago pinagpangan ng baba. Cute din nila gana no. Picturean ka daw. Uy, may pagong. Ayun daw. Iyo.
Ng plastic or bottle tinapon sa ilog. Ano, ang mangyayari niyan, pwedeng na-suffocate yung isda or kakainin niya yung mga plastics na nandun. Dahil akala niya, pagkain yun, like seaweeds, red seaweeds or brown seaweeds, and then seagrass. So, mapagkakamalan niya ng pagkain ng isang organisms. And then 19% from glass, and then 10% others. So, mapasok din yung mga diapers. So, that is based from my data. Okay, so matanong yung ulit yung mga
Okay, so ano ba yung mga coastal ecosystems na nagkakaroon ng CFA? Actually, meron tayong mga marshes, pero andito yung tatlong na main MVPs pagdating sa coastal ecosystem. We have the mangroves, the seagrass, and coral reefs. So isa-isa natin. Ang mangroves ay sa tinatawag natin makawan. Okay? So ang makawan ay these are trees o shrubs na located sa intertidal.
Before that, our English speaker, Ma'am Marilyn Hidalgo, externalized Galvan, Sir Atesa, Sir Karim, and also Ma'am Kim, thank you, and also the participants for enriching our understanding of fishing fisheries, ecotourism, and social management. Of course, your expertise and insights will provide environmental conservation, and economic growth. So for the community engagement. So let us continue collaborating toward a resilient and sustainable future with our the critical issues and opportunities in fisheries and coastal communities. So make Islam knowledge, inspire action, innovation, and policy which change for a better tomorrow. So of course, let's translate the knowledge into action, advocating for policies and promoting sustainable fisheries, ecotourism, and coastal ecosystem management. And then, of course, collaboration is the key. So I hope na natatandaan nyo yung natin is collaboration. Let's translate the knowledge into action. So let's make galaw-galaw tayo lahat for the better future. And then lastly, to everyone, thank you for joining us in this lecture series on the fisheries conservation kasi sama-sama tungo sa kaunlad at sayang pamilaan sa bagong Pilipinas. Tapos isa, pagkakasupok ka lang, may palinawan na alas dito ba saan dyan, nakasanda po ako kasi ipapahilin ko po yan sa model ko.
Okay. Sige, siya ano ba?
Ay, si ano po pala, sa Pilipinas, wag lang po siya sa Pilipinas, nasa Denmark, sa Pilipinas.